Get ready on this website because once you activate its system, it will provide cash flowing money every single day that actually works. You might think that this website's repeated payments of $30 to $60 are a small amount, but once they gradually add up, you'll be surprised at how much your money can grow. This website has already helped several users earn $300 to $1,200 every single day, which is totally incredible, considering that this can be done entirely online from the comfort of your own home and is accessible from anywhere in the world. I'm confident that this will alter the way you think about earning money online, show you new opportunities to make money, and even inspire you to dream big. House, car, and lot, that would now be within reach. You need not invest any money or make any initial payments to use this website. To ensure you don't miss any important information, be sure to watch the entire video. Welcome to Money Talk, where we discuss everything about money. And for this video, we are going to talk about how to generate $296 with iOS or Android in just minutes. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons and be the first to check out our latest videos. Visit the website inboxpace.com first. With just one click, you can generate a sizable amount of cohort cash. On this page, you can actually register for free by entering your name, email address, birth date, zip code, and gender. Accept the terms and conditions by clicking the I am not a robot CAPTCHA. You will automatically receive a $5 sign-up bonus when you sign up. You can now log in after signing up and receiving your bonus. Upon logging in, you can access a variety of offers, including those to play games, read emails, complete surveys, and more. You can select a variety of deals and earn extra money. This is a revenue stream created by a single website. This website might take 3 days for you to be able to receive your money. There are actually 3 ways to make money on this website. First, one method is the cash mail, where they will send you emails and in exchange for your opening and reading them, will pay you money each time. The second method is the cash offer, where you can find various tasks to complete like downloading phone apps, watching videos, and completing surveys. Each day you will make extra money. The third option is to play online games and spin the jackpot to win extra money by spinning the wheel. You will see a number of users who have already earned $5 or even up to $1,000 by winning the grand prizes. Additionally, you can refer friends and receive a $10 bonus. Next, visit rewardingways.com, which is a website that can help you earn money. With this website being completely free, they have paid out more than $1.8 million to their members worldwide. You can withdraw money using PayPal, Skrill, an Amazon gift card, or Bitcoin, and they pay out within 24 hours. This website is real and legitimate because it receives many positive reviews. A number of users are cashing out, and they do this frequently. That is absolutely remarkable. Are you an Android or iPhone user? Let us know in the comments. Do not worry, this is available to both systems. You can earn points by completing offers on this website, including surveys, paid trials, watching videos, downloading apps, and more. Those points can be exchanged for hard cash. You can sign up without cost and receive an added bonus. You only need to enter your name, username, and mailing address to finish the registration process. which takes about a minute. The key right now is to state your precise location. This website provides access to global opportunities. After signing up, you will notice that this website has partnerships with some of the biggest businesses, including OfferToro. OfferToro is mentioned on many different websites, and they are well known and well liked in the category of websites, where you can watch videos, complete offers, and earn money from home. They have a partnership with rewardingways.com and offer the chance to add $30 to every video you watch on their website. I'll share some advice for using this website. It is absolutely fine to sign up right away because a 25% additional bonus is being offered. And once that bonus expires, you will no longer be able to receive it. The second piece of advice is to expect to see a variety of services when you log into your account, including paid surveys, live paid service ads, personal surveys, and many more. Choose and concentrate on daily paid services because you can make a lot of money online doing this consistently, and it is a stable source of income. There are many websites out there with a small number of surveys and low pay, but this one offers brand new surveys every day. You can complete them as many times as you like, but you must first log into your account. Once you have done so, you can unlock the offered survey, which will earn you $30. If you earn an additional percent bonus, however, you could earn up to $100 or $150. To activate them, you must complete the daily surveys. iPal.com is a third website where you can work from home and earn money every day. This website offers a very simple solution through a very simple interface. This is unquestionably a legitimate website that functions as an online and mobile community, where special opportunities are offered to you every day in exchange for your responses to inquiries about various goods and services. They can send you a lot of daily tasks and surveys that you can complete by using your own device. There are many people taking advantage of this opportunity, and you can cash out your money using PayPal, Apple iTunes, or an Amazon gift card. This is 100% free and is very convenient because you can use your Android or Apple phones. Simply click this button to go to a page where you can download the app from the Google Play Store. The app's name is iPal, Make Money Surveys, and you should make sure to download it. Out of 22,000 reviews, this one has a 4-star rating. People have a great opportunity here, and the website is updated frequently. You can view your account balance and actual earnings when you sign in to your account on your phone. In fact, you can withdraw your money quickly and get it into your account within 24 hours. Start completing surveys by responding to various inquiries. Then, check the boxes and press the next button. It will take you about less than 5 minutes to complete every survey. Now you can check the survey, known as Browse and Bank, if you need quick cash. This is the first system in the world that pays you via the internet. Simply browsing websites, watching videos, and scrolling through Facebook posts can earn you money. And you can do this every hour. Several users are reporting actual results. What are you waiting for? So now that you know all this information, are you ready to earn more? Comment down below so we can get the conversation going. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the thumbs up button, click subscribe, and hit the notification bell to receive updates on our latest videos. If you want to watch more videos, head on over to our channel to see more from MoneyTalk. See you then!